Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your party or your lobby private and closed so people can't just join in any game on your PlayStation 5. This is a PlayStation 5 level setting, so it will apply to every game, Minecraft, Call of Duty, Battlefield. So let's go to Call of Duty right now, and then we can start up the game. And then once we're in a game lobby, we should be able to go to the activity card for the game and then open it up. So let's go through all this BS in Call of Duty right now. And then we should be able to press the PlayStation button, and you can see where it says Call of Duty Activity Party right here. Select this card, and then we can go to Activity Party Settings. And then we have who can join. We have friends of friends. We can go to friends, or we can go to invite players. So choose what you want. Maybe I'll set it to anyone can join. So this will be all my games. So anyone can just basically join my my game based off my profile. They can go to my PlayStation profile, and then it should say like join player or something like that, and then they can join my game based off of that. So you can set it to like friends of friends, friends only, or invited players only right here, and that will fix a lot of that confusion for you. Who can send invites? You can only have like the leader or all members right here, but this is actually a pretty cool setting, and this will fix a lot of random people just joining your games. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.